This is Buckle Down Practice Test, page 53, problem number 51. Vernon wants to buy 8 books. He has $58 to spend. If each book costs the same amount, how much can he spend on each book? So we need to do 58 divided by 8. 58 divided by 8. 8 goes into 58 7 times, because 7 times 8 is 56. 58 minus 56 is 2. So there will be 2 8s. So 7 and 2 8s is same thing as 7 and 1/4. And keep in mind, we need to convert that into money. 1/4 is like having 1/4. So that's like having 25 cents. So 7 and 1/4 is equal to $7.25. Choice C. Number 52. The length of a garden is 6 meters. Which is an equivalent length? You need to know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So if you have 6 meters, that is same thing as 600 centimeters. Choice G. Number 53. The first time Paul worked on a puzzle, it took him 6 1/4 hours. Last week, Paul completed a similar puzzle in 2 5/6 hours. How much less time did it take Paul to complete the second puzzle? Since he's asking how much less time, so we need to find the difference. Alright, 6 1/4 minus 2 5/6. We have different denominators, so you need to find LCD. LCD of 4 and 6 happens to be 12. So you have to rename 6 1/4 to be 6 3/4, 2 5/6 to be 2 10/12. Now try to subtract 3/12 minus 10/12. We can't do that. So we're going to rename 6 3/12 to be 5 15/12, because when you take 1 away from that 6, you get 5. That 1 you just took it away, you have to rename it as 12/12, and you already have 3/12, so combine 3/12 to 12/12, you get 15/12. Now you take 2 10/12 away from it, so 15/12 minus 10/12 is 5/12. 5 minus 2 is 3. So correct choice is A, 3 5/12 hours. Number 54. What is the value of the expression when D is equal to 8? So you need to substitute 8 in place of letter D. So it becomes 8 plus, in parentheses, 9 minus 2 times 6. Now you need to use the order of operations. So you need to do what's in parentheses first. 9 minus 2, which is 7. Copy down the rest. Now you need to do multiplication next. 7 times 6 is 42. Copy down the rest. Now you have 8 plus 42, which is equal to 50. Choice G. Number 55. The table shows the weight of a puppy. So here's your data. Which line graph correctly shows the data in the table? It has to be choice D, because we have 0, 5, 110, 215, 325, 435, 545, 660. 660. So it is choice D. Number 56. Which model represents 8200s minus 4900s? Okay, first let's look at this lighter shade of gray. We have $8200s are shaded in this gray. And then we're taking away, this X's represents taking it away, 4900ths. Okay, so there's your 4900ths. And what's left? 3300ths. So this picture represents 8200ths minus 4900ths. Number 57. A box that is shaped like a rectangular prism has a length of 14 inches, a width of 9 inches, and a height of 8 inches. Which set of dimension has the same volume? Volume is equal to length times width times height. So when you multiply 15 times 12 times 6, you get 1080. When you multiply 16 times 8 times 8, you get 1024. When you multiply 18 times 10 times 6, you get 1080. When you multiply 21 times 12 times 4, you get 1008. Well, this rectangular prism, it has a dimension of 14 times 9 times 8. 14 times 9 times 8, you get 1008. So these two have same volume, so it has to be choice D. Number 58. Lily's parents have 272 DVDs that are on shelves that each hold 36 DVDs each. How many more DVDs do Lily's parents need to completely fill the last shelf? Alright, it is asking how many more DVDs do Lily's parents need to completely fill the last shelf. Alright, so you need to do 272 divided by 36, and you get 7 remainder 20, which means 7 shelves are completely full, but we have 20 DVDs left. The question asks, how many more DVDs do Lily's parents need to completely fill the last shelf? So we need 16 more to fill the last shelf, because 16 plus 20 gives you 36. Another way to look at it is 36 minus 20 is 16. Choice G. Number 59. Which is a true statement? 12 times what number is less than 108 when that number, this number, is equal to 8? Alright, 12 times 8 is 96. 96 is less than 108. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. 96 is less than 108. So it is choice A. Number 60. A day on Venus lasts 243 and 200ths Earth days. How is that number of Earth days written in standard form? 243. 243, and the decimal represents the word and, 200ths. Here's your tenth, here's hundredths. So you need to have that digit 2 at hundredths place. So this is what you need to have as a standard form. 243 and 200ths. Choice H. Thanks.